back to our school management series. So in the last video we have discussed about how we can create academic session, classes, as well as the sections, right? So in this video we are going to discuss these two things: how we can assign sections to classes, as well as we are going to enable the feature for reordering the grades, classes, right? So the reason for this is to add the custom navigation, which will be used later. And so before starting it, I would also like you to help me to create the plan for this video series if you are interested, so that it will be easier for me to so let's get back. So let me quickly describe about the classroom and sections. So for now, classrooms and sections both are independent on each other. They are independent models. So to create a relation between them, we have a class sections table. Let me show you. Yeah, it's a pivot table. So we are going to just use this. So for that, first of all, we are going to create the relation manager, right? So make Filament relation manager. Our resource is classroom resource. Relationship will be sections and title will be, let's say, name. If I go to my classroom models, I don't have this relation. Let me quickly create that. Sections. So that it will return belongs to many type. Return $this belongs to many. So you may have now understand why I am using belongs to many, because we have a pivot relationship. We don't have the has many relationship here. We have a pivot table with section class, but the table will be class section, right? So now after that, let me just go to my classroom relation manager. Yeah, it is here. Let me first register this. So for that, I need to section relation manager make. So now if I refresh here, yeah, I have the sections. Oh, it's the section I have the section here. So now let me go here. So first of all, I will not add the ability to create here. The only action that will be here is to attach, right? The reason for this is I will create the relation from the section. So section A, let's say section B, right? Let's say section C, and that's it. So now if I need to go to grade 1, now I need to source for them. Okay, now I need the reverse relation first of all. So let me go to section and let me just copy the relation, and inside section I will have classrooms, right? So this will belongs to classroom. Let me import belongs to many, and everything is same. Similarly in class section, I have public function classroom. I can create the relation also from here. $this belongs to classroom class, and similarly I have the sections method to determine the relation between belongs to section. Okay, let me refresh here. Let me try to attach, and here now I can say S. Yeah, I get the section A attaching. That's it. If I try with section B, that's it. And now instead of delete will, if I let me show you, if I try to delete this, yeah, we get the issue here. And also I don't want the ability to delete here, because it will delete the complete relation. Since we are attaching it, we can edit it, but we can't delete it. What we can do is we can detach that, right? So detach will remove the record from our third-party table, pivot table. So if I try to detach it, confirm, that's it. But if I go here, it's still here. Now if I go back here and edit, it's okay. I don't need edit 2, right? It will either I can attach or I can detach. Section B, yeah, attach and another C, section C, yes, that's it. In this way we can add the sections to the classrooms. Now the next thing that is on our plan is to reorder them. As I have here, you can see grade 1, grade 2, grade 10, grade 3, grade 9. And the one thing we may have idea, like we can make it sort with created it, right? So now still, what if the user creates them in the random order? So that's the case. So for that, what I can want to do, I have a, in my classrooms table I have a sort column, right? I will just try to sort them with sort. If I refresh here, they all are 0. So to reorder them, we just need the reorderable method, and we can pass our column name, that is sort. That's it. Now I can see the sorting error. Now I can reorder them. Okay, grade 1, after that it should be grade 2, grade 3, grade 9 and grade 10. Let me save it. That's it. Now in this way the sorting is also completed, right? Okay, sorry. So I think this is for this part. So in the next part we are going to use this feature. So we will have the ability to import classrooms with the sections. If there will be the sections, it's okay. If there is no any sections, then we will create that section automatically and attach with that particular classrooms. So this is our next target. Thank you.